6 and 8, Charlie. Take 1. Marker?
Action.
I sort of remember her laugh. I hope I never forget.
You know, when I dance with you, you can almost hear her laughter. Rivka, I wish your mother could be here for your bat mitzvah.
Oh, Daddy, you're making me so sad.
I don't mean to. It's just that I know how much it meant to her. For her to be here and see you stand in front of all of your friends and say, "Here I am, a young Jewish woman among my people, taking my place, a daughter of Rebecca."
Oh, Dad, don't remind me. You know how much I hate standing up in front of people, even at a dot yeshua. And anyway, she didn't even know we'd have it there.
Yes, but she'd still be right there next to me, crying with your sentimental old dad. I'd be so proud of you.
I wish Uncle Sidney and Aunt Jackie could come. They live so close, and I haven't even seen them since Mom died.
Sweetheart, I don't think that they would come. I mean, you know how they feel about where we attend. I'm sorry you don't get to see them. Maybe we could invite them, but it's been so long.
Lord, I pray Uncle Sidney and Aunt Jackie will come to the bat mitzvah. I pray that Dad and Uncle Sidney will run into each other somewhere and they'll get together and catch up on old times like brothers do. And it would be so wonderful for them to see me get bat mitzvah. Thank you for hearing my prayer.
Amen.
Cut.